Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to Brain Tech. In this video, I will show you how to notify LinkedIn network of new job. To start, open your internet browser and head on over to linkedin.com. On LinkedIn, tap on your profile on the upper right and then click on the button that says View My Profile. Once you're now in your profile, look for the button that says Add Profile section. Then in here, over at Core, you can start adding your profile photo, but in here, we're going to be clicking on Add Position. Over at Add Position, take your time right now when inputting the extra details needed and necessary for them to get to know about your positions. Once you're done, click on Save. Then scroll down and head on over to Experience, and then in here, click on the plus sign and then tap on Add Position. In here, again, input the necessary details needed. Once done, click on Save. On the description bar, add a description about your job on this previous industry or if it's a job that you currently are having. Once done, click on Save, and then your position should now be added, and then tap on Share. Once you tap on Share, make sure it says Anyone so that everybody will be notified on your connections. Then click on Post, and then it should notify on everybody else's LinkedIn profiles. In here, make sure it says Everyone so that everybody will be notified. And as you can see over here at Experience, it should now be added to your experience over at LinkedIn profile. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.